Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cari. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you are new here, consider subscribing because you can find unboxing, hauls, product reviews, home decor and more. In today's video, I just want to share with you my honest opinion and a review of this beauty right here, which is the Chanel Business Affinity bag. And this is in a medium with a gold hardware. I would say like champagne gold hardware, caviar. I'm gonna tell you the good, what I find that is good, the cons, and if it for anybody, my experience about this. And I'm gonna show you what I fit in my bag. I'm gonna start with the pros of this bag. The first pro is that it's a leather caviar. I love that. We all know that it is one of the best material up there, or leather for especially Chanel bags, and it's in black with gold hardware or champagne gold. I love that. That's the first pro for me, and that's what really got the attention most of all. Then I will say the space of this bag. Like we can see, it have a big package, look like a big wallet right here, and it had two big zippers, and the zipper have like a kind of cut of the diamond of the bag, like this shape, too big, and this big packet right here. That is one of the pro that is amazing. Look at all that space right here. It's very good, okay, and very big. It have also another zipper right here. Another pro is to have the back pocket, and it's very big too. I really don't put much there. I do some receipt if I go somewhere, or if I need a specific card or something. I just put it right here to make it more accessible. But that's a big pro here. Like, it's amazing. So yeah, the packet, it is so pretty. It have another here, another packet there, the zipper here with another packet. It have a lot of room. It's very big. Another pro that I love about it is this feet. It have 4 feet, which is amazing too. It helps to protect your back in the bottom, and it really stay put wherever you put it on. I love the fact that it look very nice and very classic with the big CC and the cut diamond, like a classic flap, but kind of like the look. I love this bag in the black color. I saw it in like pink, more beige, but I think in black it give it a more like a nice classy look, and you can actually use it more dressing, more casual, or more like fancy to go out for a dinner or something like that. For more fancy occasion and for more casual occasion, it works perfect for both of them, because I guess the color for me and the look, it gives you that nice classy look. That's what I think. Like I say, it's very spacious, it's very big, it's very comfortable. I believe that this medium size is just perfect to make it look very nice, and still you don't lose anything because it have a lot of room, so you can get everything you want for like a more simple occasion where you don't have to carry a ton of stuff. I love the small handle here. Like I say, you can just, make it more chic, and you can use it to go out in more like fancy occasion, and if more casual occasion, you just put it across body. It is a multi-use. I think it's worth it. Every single penny for this bag, and you give it all the use that really deserve, because it's very nice for that. and you can accessorize it with a nice twirl and put it, you see, on the handle, and just take it, give it like a nice pretty look, and it make it change the look of the bag too. So that is something amazing too. I love the hardware on the top there, that circle one. Yes, I think it's a beautiful bag. It have big zippers with, oh, I don't know, I forgot how you call this one, but it had a big CC here, and like I said, the cut, you can make it here smaller or bigger depending on how much you want to fit in the bag, and it will expand. And the con of this bag that I really don't like much, but you can actually use it pretty good, because I'm gonna show you right now how I make the strap smaller. But the fact that the strap is not adjustable, that is a con for me. I really would love it, you know, the strap was adjustable, but that's the only thing that is a con for me that I don't like. But actually you can just, I just put it inside this part, I twist it, I put it in the inside, then I close it, and it made the bag smaller. So you can just carry like this, see, it's so nice, or you can just carry like that. Another con is like the back here, the handle is not big enough to fit your arm through, but it's cute to put it like that. And then look, you can just put it back like this, and you can carry like that, or put it and just hide the part, look, of the strap. And the good thing is, like, you see how this fit here, so the metal, you don't have to be scared of like the metal damaging your bag, because it kind of like fit right there for both of them, see, and it helps you protect that leather right there. So this is big packet. It's not like it's a small right here. No, you get the whole size of the bag. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you guys what I fit here and how I do it. I usually put the minimum when I go out with it, you know, like a nice when I go out I put the minimum. I don't really go crazy about it. So I usually start with my phone. I have it right here. This is my phone, so it's not the simple one. I just have the big case, and I just gonna show you. I just put my phone right here in the back or the front, wherever it fits. Then in my wallet, I usually carry this, and I put the necessary, or the, like, you know, the health insurance, my credit card, and stuff like that. So I don't carry what I usually will carry in my regular wallet that I use a lot of cards and all that. So put that here, right there. Then where I put my key, put it right here. And then this, it's all fit there. Then I grab this and I put it in the pocket, this pocket right here. And then I put my earphone. I love Stitch. I just throw it right there, and my lipstick, I put it in this pocket next to the thing. Over here, I usually don't put much, maybe the phone sometime, but I usually, or my mask, but right now we don't require a mask here, so I do not put the mask, but I usually put my mask here and little thing like that. But then I close it. Oh, I can see the hole. Okay, and it don't feel heavy, and it still had a nice shape right here, and it don't feel like it's like too bulky or nothing like that. You can see. I really love the look of this bag, and it's actually a very nice option if you can afford a classic, and definitely now with all these prices increases, it's hard. It's even harder to afford one. So for those of you that work hard and try to put your money together and get one, I think this one is a beautiful option, and it gives you that nice classy look. It gives you that beautiful big CC logo here, the kind of the shape and the cut of the classic bag look. It had the big pocket, actually bigger than what the classic flap and have, and the chain and everything. So I think it's a beautiful option for you up there. It's nice. If you try it on, you will fall in love with it. And the small bag of this, I feel like the shape of the bag don't go with the design, you know, because it make a very bulky, the small one, and the big, I think it was the large was way too big, and I went for this one because it gave me all the look that I was looking for, like I told you before, and it carried exactly my necessity for the occasion that I use this bag. I love it, and I think it will fit anybody, any age, so I really recommend it to anybody. So this is guy. Leave me your comment down below what you think about this bag. If you are considering in purchase of one, don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Share this video, give a thumbs up, and leave me the comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.